Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Dalgona coffee. This trendy, frothy drink is surprisingly simple to create at home with just a few basic ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons each of instant coffee, granulated sugar, and hot water. For the base, have 1 cup of your favorite milk ready, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. An electric hand mixer will make the whipping process much quicker and easier. Now for the magic. In a clean, medium-sized bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Using an electric hand mixer on medium-high speed, whisk the mixture. Continue whipping for about 2 to 5 minutes until it transforms into a pale, fluffy, and thick foam that holds its shape, similar to whipped cream. Once your coffee foam is ready, it's time to assemble your delicious drink. Fill a tall glass with about 3/4 of a cup of your preferred milk. If you like it cold, add a few ice cubes. Then, carefully spoon the thick, frothy coffee mixture over the milk. The beautiful 2-layered effect is part of its charm, but remember to stir it all together before drinking for the best flavor experience. For the best Dalgona coffee, always use hot water to ensure the instant coffee and sugar dissolve completely. While a hand whisk works, an electric mixer will save you time and effort, yielding a much fluffier foam in just a few minutes. Feel free to customize your drink with different types of milk, like almond or oat, or add a sprinkle of cinnamon on top for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your homemade, delightful Dalgona coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.